Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is my wash day. I've just taken my hair down from a ponytail, as you can see, and I'm about to wash all of this hair. When my hair's dirty, it definitely, it just feels different to when it's clean, so I really look forward to my wash days because I just love the feeling of my fresh hair. Definitely let me know below if that's something that you look forward to, even if the whole process of washing can be a bit long. Today I'm going to be mixing it up a bit and I'm going to be trying a new product. It's from Aussie, which is of course one of my favourite hair care brands, and it's going to be the Nourish and Protect Pure Locks spray. So this is like a leave-in conditioning spray. I use both of them together, and I'm gonna just use these two products after I wash my hair, so we'll see if the results are any different. It'll be quite interesting to know if it's worth the money. So before I wash my hair, I'm going to detangle it. This is something that I don't think I've showed before, well, not recently anyway. So I'm gonna kind of part it into 4 sections. I'm gonna take this paddle brush, I'm gonna start at the end and just work my way up. So what I don't want to do is wash my hair with it being super tangled up, and my hair feels quite like greasy anyway, if you know what I mean. Like, I can feel the build up of product, so using a paddle brush, it just gets through it quite easily. Hey, so I've just washed my hair, I've shampooed and conditioned it, and I'm just letting it dry out a bit in this cotton t-shirt. Just the same as last time, I used my Aussie products, the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner, and I'm just about to apply the leave-in conditioning spray. So I'm going to use the Miracle Moist conditioning spray and also the Nourish and Protect Pure Lock spray. This is the product I haven't used before. I've gone through a few more of the ingredients and I definitely think I should use both of them, especially since it's the first time, and you know, I don't really like to take risks with my hair. Now I'm using a blow dryer with an afro comb on the end. I've said quite a few times which one this is, but I'll link one down below that's very similar that you can pick up, and I really like using the afro pick because it ensures that my hair's detangled as I go. I start at the bottom and work my way up. So now my hair is roughly blow dried. You can see it's still really poofy. I'm gonna split it into sections so I can still feel that the roots of my hair are wet at this stage. So I'm going to pin up this top part. I'm just gonna blow dry the back and then blow dry the front. So this is the difference between it being like partially dry, you can see it's really quite poofy, and when actually I go back in with a blow dryer. So you can see. So what I do is I hold my hair with a bit of tension as well, and I take the blow dryer through from root to tip, and if the roots do feel quite wet, I'll just let that sit up here for probably like about 3 seconds before before I put it down. And you can feel if your hair or your head is getting too hot, then obviously you need to make sure you move it away. By doing this, by making sure that I get the nicest blow dry possible, it just makes it much easier when it comes to straightening my hair. I'm not kind of battling against all of that frizz. I've got rid of that frizz with the blow dry. So I'm using my GHD hair straighteners as always. These are starting to get quite old now, so I reckon they probably don't have that much life left in them, so I'm going to be looking to replace these soon. So if you can recommend any straighteners, please let me know. I do have like a backup pair of hair straighteners that you can adjust the heat settings and all of that, but it just doesn't seem to work exactly the same as the GHD. There are meant to be some different special properties about these straighteners and about the plates and stuff like that, so I might actually be going back and get myself an upgrade, get a new pair of GHDs. But if there's anything that you could suggest, particularly if you've tried GHD hair straighteners and you think there's one better, then do let me know in the comments below. I just take down quite a big chunk of hair and then I section it into smaller pieces to pass through the straightener. So that's what I'm going to do now, particularly when I know I'm going to curl my hair anyway. I don't feel the need to use such small sections of hair and be so precise. Not round the back at least. So you can see this hair hasn't been straightened, this hair that's in my hand, and this hair here has. And you can literally see, yeah, look, there you go. Now that it's captured it. Can you see the difference in what the straightening process, like with the hair straighteners, how different it makes your hair? It really kind of flattens out your hair, you kind of get that shine. There we go. So this is my finished hair. I hope you like it. I've gone and put some curls through my hair. I showed that in my last video, so I didn't want to kind of make this go on and on by showing you that, but just to briefly say, I used my straighteners to do it and I curled away from my face as usual. I do have a centre part, so it will look a bit different. In terms of the look and the feel of my hair does feel like really silky and really smooth. I can't 100% attribute it to the new product, but my hair definitely feels different, so I really think this has worked. I think that next time I might be brave and try it on its own, and then I'll be able to give you a bit more feedback about it. But yeah, let me know if you've tried this and what you think of it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.